Hi viewers, in this video you are going to watch about potting. Potting is a process of filling pot mixture into the pots. Cultivation of plants in the pots is advantageous because it requires no extra space. It means you need no extra land to grow the plant into the pots. Plants can be moved into the garden, house and office as per requirement for aesthetic purposes. It means mobility of plant is very easy when you grow the plant into the pots. Plants can be grown into house, office, garden and even on the roof of buildings. Pot selection must be according to plants to be grown in pots. Size of plants and its root zone play important role in pot size selection. It means if the plants are of bigger size, then select big pot, and if plants are of smaller size, then select small pots. Pot mixture must be contain garden soil, FYM or compost, sand in equal amount. Another important point is to prevent blocking of bottom hole of pots. Put a piece of brick over it before filling pots. This is very important point because due to the blocking of bottom hole of pots, water stagnate into the pot. Because of this reason, roots of plant do not get sufficient oxygen for respiration, resulting the death of the plant.
These are the soil parts made by burnt soil, and here they are ready to fill the pot mixtures. In addition to earthen pot, nowadays the other materials are used for the pot preparation, like cement and concrete, and even plastic pots are available in the market. Pots are of different size, and in the selection of pot, the fact must be considered, that is plant size. Big pot is used for the bigger plants and small pots are used for the small plants. Accordingly, size of the plants must be chosen. Another important point is putting a piece of brick or part broken piece on the hole, that is at the bottom of the pot. This piece of brick over the hole prevents the blocking of this hole, which is important because if the hole blocks, it prevents the drainage of water and deprived of the oxygen for respiration of roots. It results instant growth of plant or death of the plant. So always cover the hole with a piece of brick. Compost is an important constituent of pot mixtures. It must be added into the pot mixtures. I am going to fill the pot mixtures consisting of 1 part soil, 1 part sand and 1 part FYM or compost. Put a piece of brick or a piece of broken part over the hole to prevent its blocking, and then fill the soil into the pot up to its surface. So here you can see I am filling the soil mixture into the pot. After filling the soil mixture up to the surface of the pot, pots become ready for plant transplanting. These pots are ready for transplanting of plants. These are the pots used for growing beautiful chrysanthemum flower. A Diffenbachia, that is indoor plants, can be grown inside the house. And this one is the cactus, very attractive and beautiful. These are also the cactus grown in the pots made up of cement and concrete. And this is coleus, known for its foliage beauty, grown in pots. Pots maintenance is also important. After rainy season, the outer surface of the pots is painted to make pot attractive and enhance its aesthetic value. These are the painted pots in which a bushy plant called bougainvillea is being grown. Thank you for watching.